Be sure to use a two-person carry method when installing your door sash frame. Begin by fitting the entire door panel into place. Once in place, pre-drill holes where the fasteners will connect to vertical beams. As with all other frames, check level and shim as necessary. Fasten the vertical ends to the post using the appropriate fasteners. Mark and pre-drill anchoring points through the center of your bottom frame. Level and shim the base as necessary before fastening to floor. Finally, pre-drill holes through the top center frame before securing to the beam. Remove any debris from door and window track before door and window installation.